What's up everyone, Adam here again with another video for you from the ECP YouTube channel, and I purchased myself a Sound Symposer Delete Kit, and that's what we're going to be fitting today, so let's get to it. Right, and if you're wondering what the Sound Symposer is and where it is, that's it there, and what it does, it channels engine noise up here along this pipe underneath the scull panel into the cabin. So basically it's just so the occupants of the car can hear the engine noise, so it sounds a bit better. In my eyes it's an absolutely waste of time, pointless thing, and it's not needed. If you've got a standard car, standard exhaust, maybe you want to leave it on, but if you like me with a 3-inch straight through race exhaust, yeah, I don't need it. I can't hear a thing with that exhaust blowing away. So what I'm doing is obviously I'm going to remove all that, free up some space, clear all that out, and just make it look a little bit neater and tidier, and free up some air circulation. Now I bought my kit for £35. Now that is expensive. You can just get the bong that you can fit in the end of the existing pipe for about £3 or £4, but I want to change all my piping for blue silicone piping, so I wanted it all to match. So yeah, I paid over the odds, but never mind. So right everyone, the first thing you need to do is remove the window wiper so we can get the scull panel off. Now I've already pre-done mine, but I've left this one on so I can show you. So you need to remove the rubber caps first. They just pull off. Then we've got a nut that you need a 15mm socket for. So obviously just unscrew them, take off the washer, and you're left with the wipers. Now these are very hard to take off. Now you could do it by hand, possibly if you're lucky. You might be able to pry it off with I don't know, a screwdriver or a pry bar, but there is a tool for doing it. Now I've got one of them, that's one of these. Basically that just slides under, then you screw it down and it pushes the wiper up. I will post a link where you can buy one of these from off eBay somewhere. There won't be a lot of money, it will make your life a lot easier, but if you don't want to wait, you can, like I said, try with a pry bar or a flathead screwdriver and just pop it off. Right, once you've got the wipers off, you need to take out these clips. They just literally slide off. Get a flathead screwdriver or a pair of pliers, just pull them off. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like I said, I've already pre-done mine. I just left that one on so I can show you. So just get pair, like I said, pair of pliers, flathead screwdriver, and pop them off. Once you remove all the clips, now this panel should quite easily. Once you remove that panel, you can now see exactly where the Sound Symposer goes. Obviously, from there up that pipe, underneath the panel, and that's where it feeds it in. Not really the greatest design, I think it's pointless, but never mind. This end piece is held in by 2 of them. Basically you just sort of crimp them together, crimp the end together and push it out, or what I'm going to do, because I'm never going to refit this, is just yank it off and snap it off. Right, so once you remove them 2 holdings and fixings, pipe's all loose. The best way to get it off is entirely up to you. You can either just cut it off there, but if you really don't want to do that and you feel like you might need to refit it for whatever reason, just take out this rubber bong, slide it over the end and feed the pipe through the hole. Once you've removed the rubber bong that sits there and you've slided it over the end, to make life easier, if you disconnect it there, you just pull it apart, then you can quite easily now remove the pipe. Right, there we go, that's that all removed. Now you're down to this next bit. This is another bit that's just connected there, so you can just pull that off like so. What I will say, guys and girls, is entirely up to you. This rubber bong, I am personally going to refit it there, then I'll probably tape over there, tape over the end with something, maybe just some insulation tape, make sure it's nice and tight, just to help prevent any water getting down. It wouldn't cause any issue going down there, there's no electrical wiring down there, you know, but you got the exhaust, the downpipe there, so if that's really hot and you've got water pouring down in there, you're going to get a lot of steam and a lot of sizzling, and you don't really want to be putting water on a hot metal. So yeah, I'm going to refit that and just tape over. That's something extra you might want to do, it's entirely up to you, or you could just tape over the hole, whatever's easiest. Right, once we've done that, guys, move on to the next bit, which is this next piece here to remove this. So what we do is pull it off its holder there, and there's a Jubilee clip just there. You can just make it out, so you need to undo that and remove it off the next piece of pipe. Right, everyone, that's it removed. That's the Sound Symposer itself. That's a piece of junk and a waste of time. Now what I did do, everyone, I did remove this holding bracket to allow me more room. That's what went on there. It's just a case of two 10mm bolts that you need to unscrew. Just gives you a lot more access. Now I may refit it because this new pipe, as you can tell, it thins out just there to slide in that fixing, you know, so it might go on like so. I don't know yet, I'll see when I get it in place. But yeah, now we're on to the next bit. It's one more Jubilee clip just there, pull it off, and then we can refit the new pipe. Right, there you go, everyone, that's it removed. There's the pipe that the new Sound Symposer Delete pipe, or the bong if you've got that instead, goes. So what we need to do is fit one Jubilee clip over the end of this where the bong is, slide another one loosely over that, fit the pipe on, tighten it up, job's a good one. Right, there you go, everyone, that's it done, finished. Sound Symposer Delete Kit fitted, and the Sound Symposer is no longer there. I mean, I hate that word Symposer, I can't get my mouth around it. But yeah, you didn't need that holding bracket in the end, which I'm glad about. That's one less piece of crap in the way. But there it is, it just sits there nice, out the way, a bit below, colour the engine bay up a bit. So all you got to do now is just repeat the process of replacing everything you did. Obviously put the scuttle panel back on, put the clips back on, refit the window wipers. You don't need a tool to put them on, they were just push back on, tighten them up, and job's a good one. But obviously turn the engine on, make sure there's no air leaks coming from there. That's important. So obviously check that there's no air leaks before you put everything back together. But yeah, that is it, done and dusted. I hope it helps. There you are, everyone, there's it, done and dusted. I hope that video helps you. If you're not sure about something, just post a comment below and I will get back to you really quickly. If you want any more videos on something that I haven't done, obviously just let me know, post a comment, can you check this out, can you do this? Or if you've got any technical questions, if you've got a fault in your car, feel free to ask me. I'll do my best to help you. Check out all my other videos. I mean, I've got videos on how to remove your spoiler, how to fit an induction kit, lots, and there will be lots more to come. I've got an intercooler to fit, so that's coming up soon. I've got Zunsport grill, lower grill to fit, that will be coming up soon. And to be honest, I'll be replacing almost every part in this car, so I'll be doing tons and tons of videos to come. I've also got planned to do lots of car meet videos coming up. I'm currently going to the Isle of Wight takeover on May the 19th, that'll be a good video. But yeah, thank you very much. If you like the video, you know, please hit a like, and more importantly, if you can subscribe, that's great. I've got a goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and if I do that, I will start up the automotive club. That's another plan I've got in the future, but not until I get 1,000 subscribers. Check out my Instagram. I usually post on there before I upload a video, or when I'm going to do a video that I will be doing a video, so you get more info on that. It's at East Coast Pistons. Check that out. And I have got a Facebook page set up now. It's not exactly active, it's just there for the future, so check that out at East Coast Pistons as well. But thanks very much, guys, for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Laters.